Man, it's so boring today. It's burrito time, baby.
I think I'm in the right place. Yeah, I guess this is the right place. Huh? Is that a table?
Who is that?
Open the door. Can you explain to me why you are throwing your table around?
The table attacked me.
Did you forget to take your pills again?
Maybe.
Oh my god.
Let's play Uno.
Never.
Please.
I said no.
Pretty please. Hold on, let me cook.
So we are in bronze.
Bronze what? You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
Nah-uh.
Something smells strange here.
I put my burrito in the microwave.
With the aluminum foil?
Hell yeah. Wait.